All right, here's my man right here, Arden. Say hello to the world.
Hello.
All right, so what we got here is we got these two bolts. Here and here. And my Go-Go Gadget arm is going to allow me to turn and spin those bolts all the way over here to mount this evaporator in here. You notice I went ahead and I found like it was free, some Dynapad, and went ahead and threw that little piece up there. I definitely don't have enough to go all the way across, but I got enough to not have to take this thing off again. And I just sprayed some adhesive on the Dynapad, stuck it up there, and we have these bolts here with the spacers. They need to engage those two areas, here and here. Now, an hour is probably going to transpire before that's done, so there we go.